crazy. Konya, no bonsoir tout le monde. On fait crier dans le monde, là. On va juste regarder. I'm better get to buy no Victoria's Secret. On va faire ça. So I went to pick up Mimi. Here's Mimi. So, say hi. Here, you can do the vlog. So I guess to flip, you just... Oh, you can't flip. But you can turn it, though.
Wait. Well, never mind.
So I guess we can just go...
Yeah, I got it. We're going to Victoria's Secret first.
Yeah. So we're going to Victoria's Secret first, and then let's put in our pizza.
Yeah, we're gonna buy pizza. Yeah, guys, we're going.
Yeah, so
Stay tuned. All right. Oh, we supposed to. All right, guys. This is the mall.
She even pressed.
This is the Dime Jewel store. This is the Boynton Beach Mall. Specifically, it has lots of good stuff, but if you really want to go to the mall, then you're supposed to go to the good stuff. This is everybody at the mall, and then this is everything. That's the fruit shop. That's the clothes shop, and Victoria's Secret is right there. Victoria's Secret is right there. We're almost there. It's been so long, guys. We're almost there, guys. They're taking pictures with workout food stuff. We're at Pink. We're in front of Pink now, guys, and we're about to go in to the store. It's very beautiful, guys. It's a lot of stuff. There's perfume. Excuse me, miss.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. They have bags, jackets, underwears, backpacks, etc. Smell good perfumes, underwear. Kids can buy here too, but you have to be mom approved, guys.
That's right.
Some bras, some adult sleepwear. This is kind of the kids section slash adult section, but kids can wear these kind of little stuff too. This is all the beautiful bras, the mannequins.
We can. Oh my god. Shit, here. So you guys, you know Victoria's Secret kunya biti. On pakai belt si baga. Look at that.
Beautiful.
So maganda de sak no sella. Ninguém spray deja, maganda creme, bom já creme pour y vai. Na point que soutien.
You could get them, the sleepwear, adults or kids, but you have to be mom approved. This is to make, I think, your TTs bigger, but kids don't wear this. The bras, the lotions, the face mask, and everything, guys. Full store Victoria's Secret. We're now in Victoria's Secret, guys. We just left Pink, and now this is where all the good perfumes, the little cute mini book bags. Hi guys. Still having clothes. These are all the adult stuff. Adult stuff. Only for adults, guys. Kids can't come to this section. In my opinion, adult stuff. That's cute. You heard what she said, guys? Wait. Oh, that smell like man stuff.
I have to do that. Okay, what do you guys want to do next?
So we could,
Or we can go to the kids section like the player.
yeah. And
So let me say something.
this is
Sans qu'on y a la minute mon yo a joué, nous sommes dans Victoria's Secret, nous sommes acheté quelque chose, nous sommes dans et puis qu'on y a, nous allons aller minute mon yo jouer, de sit down, et puis nous allons jouer.
alright, guys. Here is the store called Finish Line. I would refer any boys or girls who like shoes like
nous avons quitté Victoria's Secret là, qu'on a Timounio a joué avec Mimi dans un petit parti pour Timounio jouer. So, là nous fini, on va aller acheter ice cream. Nous allons boire un petit ice cream au lieu de pizza. Nous allons de pizza. Timounio mange la salle. C'est un petit bail qui a viré là, mais.
alright guys, we're going. Go.